to. Somehow I can't go back even if I really wanted to. So what more can I do? Here in the end it's just me and you. I never wanted to play by all the rules, and knife in hand I am playing out the part of the fool. So here we go, you can judge me thoroughly. It's too late for apologies. Go ahead and just hit me since you're able. We know my determination isn't stable. I'm not even mad because I keep on dying, but I don't even know I am trying. This isn't what I want, yet it's what I asked for. Curiosity over all my morals. I took away your perfect happy ending, resetting the world despite the warnings. Right now I'm made of love, I know who